Listen to this sound. This is the sound of the sun, more precisely of solar wind particles captured by the Parker Solar Probe. But how is this possible if sound doesn't propagate in the vacuum of space? The Parker Solar Probe is a spacecraft that studies the sun. It is the human-made object that has come closest to our parent star in all of history, setting a record by getting just 6 million kilometers away from the sun's surface. During this approach, the probe also set a speed record of approximately 629,000 kilometers per hour. This allowed it to pass through solar winds and collect data from the sun's corona. After measuring variations in magnetic and electric fields in the solar wind, this data was converted using a technique called sonification, creating this sound that we can hear.